Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to rotate screen on this laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings you have to select System and go to Display. Then, go to Display Orientation, expand the list next to this feature and select the orientation that you need. Once you do that, you'll have 15 seconds to either keep changes or revert them by clicking the respective icons right here. If you don't do anything within these 15 seconds, the changes will be reverted. So let's skip them. And after that, to turn the screen back to its original position, you have to expand this list once again and select Landscape. Then click Keep Changes, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.